So I'm going to show you guys real quick a couple different ways to chain a piece of equipment down like this. And I'll show you my favorite way and what I see other guys doing it online. So this is my favorite way of doing it. Very simple. That's the beginning of the chain. So it loops around, and the binder is connecting both ends. So if you picture it like this, chain starts, it goes around, comes around, and then you bite the beginning of the chain and wherever this ends. So the beginning and let's say the middle. So you're biting, the claw with the claw here. So both, you're biting this side here and the middle of the chain. Tie it down, you're good to go. This is already tight, and I did both sides the same. That one I did it differently to show you guys. I didn't bite the end, so now I have extra chain there and extra chain here. I don't like that way. This is the way I like to do it here. So now I'm going to show you guys how I see some other people doing it. So you put the binder up against your rub reel, you bite the chain, it goes around and it connects here. Well, it's actually the opposite way around, right? You bite, you put the chain here, you go around, and you put the binder here, and you put the binder here. Now, I don't like this way because if this gets loose for any reason, then what happens is this will drop down. All right, if this gets loose, look, this will actually, I don't have two hands. So this will come off from here, and then now this whole thing comes loose. Same thing here. If this comes loose, you're able to lose, this claw here. So I don't like this one here. It's not my favorite. Never had a bad experience with it. I'm just saying that I wouldn't do it that way. Now the other way I also see guys doing is you bite the inside of the chain. So chain starts right here, chain goes around, chain goes back around, and you bite the chain with the chain. And I've even heard that this is not legal, but I never looked into the law, and I hate saying stuff that I'm not sure, so I'm not sure the legality behind it, but I don't like it. So you bite the chain with the chain, and then you put the binder from pretty much the middle of the chain, and when you squeeze the binder here, this is going to get tighter and tighter, making the whole chain get tight. I don't like that one either. Not my favorite. So again, this is the way I like to do it. You make a loop and you bite both sides of the chain, but the chain is not biting itself. Always put 4, 1 on each corner, as you guys see I did here, and that's the safest way you can do this. Now if there is a loose equipment, like if there was a plow in the front, you need to do the plow separately. If there was a sander in the back or something, just whatever separate attachments, you got to tie them down separately. So you need 4, and then if there was a bucket or something in the front, you want to do that one separately. So I'm gonna change those two because I don't like them, make them the same way as these two, and get the heck out of here. And the ramps that I'm using are 12,000 pound ramps. They're 14 feet long, and right now I do have my air suspension dumped, so I'm probably about 2.5 feet tall right now. 2.5, 2.25. And this is where the dump valve is, just FYI. So you just open the valve and it dumps. You obviously have to close the air to your trailer before you dump it. So I'll do one quick here for show and tell. Not easy with one hand. So as you guys can see, we looped it. Now we're gonna bite one end. And you just bite it on this side. Oh, you guys get the drill. There it is. I'm gonna make it tighter, obviously, but that's how you wanna do it. This is the Van Man approved. Let me know how you guys do it. Which way do you guys like doing it? Do you guys like my way, that way here, or this way where the binder is attached to the rub rail? There are probably other ways, FYI, but these are the 3 ways that I see people doing it. One last thing, guys, you do not bite the chain like this. I've seen a couple guys do it, not too many. So that's not how you bite the chain. You don't put it through the hole, you actually put it on the side of it. And working with one hand, it's not easy. So that's how you do it, okay? Not through the actual hole. So you don't do it like this. See, you don't do it through the hole. You do it like this. That's how you bite a chain. That's gonna sound stupid to many people, but you know, not everybody had somebody showing the ways. I didn't have nobody showing me anything. I pretty much learned anything that I know on trucking on my own. I never worked for somebody, so I know what it is to not know and kind of be afraid, you know, but you just gotta come out here and do it, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.